KitchenAid KSM150PSER Artisan Tilted Stand Mixer with Pouring Shield, 5-quart, Empire Red. 10-speed slide control ranges from a very fast whip to a very slow stir. Includes flat beater, dough hook and wire whip. Power hub for additional attachments, volts 120. Unique mixing action. Hub cover, non-hinged. Assembled with pride in Greenville, Ohio. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The power hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. The tilt-head design allows clear access to the bowl and attached beater or accessory, so you can easily add ingredients for a recipe. Powerful enough for nearly any task or recipe, whether you're stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread dough or whipping cream. Includes coated flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip and 1-piece pouring shield. The flat beater and dough hook are dishwasher safe. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.